Welcome to WCS Bakery Supply Services. We at WCS Bakery Supply Services are proud to announce our very own locally manufactured dough dividers. We are the only company in Africa that manufactures dough dividers. After more than 25 years experience reconditioning dough dividers, we decided to develop a low-cost, reliable and low-maintenance divider with an even longer lifespan than our competitors. The specs are as follows: hardened coating of head components with longer-lasting anti-wear coating, stainless steel head chamber and divisional box, brass or nylon pistons, e-nickel coated frame and operation arms, special coated hopper, which means no more paint contamination in the dough, non-stick industrial grade coating inside the hopper, 3 kilowatt geared motor, torque limiter for mechanical protection, 12-port rotary oil pump with lubricating sliding surfaces, oil tank with fitted level sensor, which includes a stop divider in case of low oil level, large 28-liter oil tank, oil filter for prevention of oil contamination, electrical control panel with stop, start oil level light and emergency stop buttons, LED inspection lights, variable speed drive for speed control, as well as safety switches to all access doors. The performance of our dough dividers are as follows: throughput 5 pocket, maximum 6,000 loaves per hour, minimum 2,500 loaves per hour; 6 pocket, maximum 7,200 loaves per hour, minimum 2,500 loaves per hour. The weight range of our dough dividers are as follows: 5 pocket weight range, maximum 1,000 grams per pocket, minimum 300 grams per pocket; 6 pocket weight range, 800 grams per pocket, minimum 275 grams per pocket. Our backup service is as follows: all parts of our new dividers are kept in stock, so downtime will be greatly reduced if any parts are needed to be replaced over time. To find out how we can help you, call Bertie on +27 82 574 0816 or have a look at our website at www.wcssupplies.co.za. WCS Bakery Supply Services. Contact us for more information.